Hi everybody, I'm Aurora.
I'm Stuart. Hello.
We are Annapolis Valley Dance Company, and right now we are going to teach you our Salsa Basic Lesson 3, which is the turn. And we're going to be focusing on the follow turn right now. So let's just show you how that looks. Starting with our Mambo Basic, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, prep on 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the footwork for this, let's do it together. Take a little step back. We've got our basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step forward on 1, pivot, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now it's very important to know the reason I'm able to get myself around with a pivot is my frame. So when I prep, I'm going 1, prep, 2, 3. My frame leads me and brings me to where I want to go. So let's do that together again. And you can see for the leads, they're going to be prepping with their frame, using their arms as a signal. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So he started prepping me between the 2 and the 3. Up here, he's on 3 with a little window. Hi, I can see you through the window. Perfect window. For me to then cross his body, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, prep on 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Now after this, we just continue dancing the basic. You can go into an open break, you can go into a cumbia, you can do whatever you like.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast and they could talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.